one does what God does enough times, it becomes guidance. You put it together, you get what you wanted and desired enough times. He believes you become one who is wanted and desired and accepted.
Because God has power. And if one does what God does enough times, one will become as God is.
The real raw type shit. You ain't never seen nothing before like this. It's all real, all ill, and all natural. We all kill, all still, and blast action. I like love, I like tasting your flash. I like slugs, I like David Koresh. I like anything that's related to death. I like any king that can reign with a
Moochcock presents Shut Your Mouth Before I Fuck It. The epic movie coming out whenever Jimmy doesn't edit it by summer. Oh fuck, I'm laughing, I can't even say this shit.
You couldn't lose in the fight, abusing the mic with the force of 5 lions. Anybody fuck.
Ryan's out fishing for zipper worms. Can't even say that shit right. Fishing for trout using zipper worms.